So we learned about how to represent a point in a plane, space, right now, with the order triplet x comma y comma z. Now we are going to learn distance between the 2 points, how to get the distance between the 2 points. See, you learned this in 2-dimensional. ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ 10th standard ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅದರ exact continuation ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ this section is very simple, easiest part of this PUC, remember that, okay? So there is a one small derivation with the geometrical representation. See, I am not using the method which is mentioned in the NCERT textbook. I will give you one easy method, okay? It is allowed, nothing to worry. See this. So result, the distance between 2 points, distance between 2 points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾಂ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ ನೆನಪಿದೆಲ್ಲ 2-dimensional ಇದೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Since we are in 3D now or in space, one term is extra. What is that? Z2 minus Z1 whole square. So this is a formula to find out distance between 2 points. This is a formula to find out distance between 2 points. Now I will show you how to derive it. See, maybe in 10th standard you didn't derive. Okay, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿರೈವೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ 3D ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿಲಿ ಡಿರೈವೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಮೇ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ಡಿರೈವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್, ಡಿರೈವ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಡಿರೈವೇಷನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್, ಸೊ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವರಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. So consider 2 points, okay? Let A of x1, y1, z1 and B of x2, y2, z2 be 2 given points. Let A of x1, y1, z1 and B of x2, y2, z2 will be the 2 given points. I will write the diagram here, observe carefully, since it is a 3-dimensional diagram. This is A, this is B. Okay, coordinates will bariyala, okay? This is y axis, z axis, x axis is origin. Okay, we have one simple construction, observe carefully. Draw AM and BN perpendicular to xy plane. Draw AM and BN perpendicular to xy plane. Actually point ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ನೆನಪಿಲಿ the point will be in a space. So this is not again a perfect diagram, so you have to imagine. So okay, nothing to worry, ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, this is enough, okay? So what is required now? Required is distance AB. One more construction, draw AL perpendicular to BN. Draw AL perpendicular to BN. Construction artha aithalva? Ha. Now observe carefully, what are the coordinates of A? x1, y1, z1 alva. B enu x2, y2, z2, right? So tell me, what is his height represent? This height represent z1 because this height represent z coordinate of the point. What is Bn represent? Bn represent z2, which is a z coordinate of the point. Correct? This is perpendicular. So what about this triangle now? Yes, right angle triangle, right? So now I am using this concept, okay, here to get this answer. From triangle ALB, since it's right angle triangle, yeah, right angle triangle igo matte yari connection irodu? Exactly, Pythagoras. So use Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AL square plus BL square. Pythagoras theorem ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Very good. So actually why I'm using this, because AB ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, length or the distance. So length concept ಬಂದಾಗ for right angle triangle definitely we are using Pythagoras theorem. ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. And we need, see, this will give you now AB, right? See, AB ಬೇಕಿದ್ದದೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, right? So what is AB? AB is nothing but AL square plus BL square. So now here we have to substitute, okay, from this diagram to get this formula. Correcta? AL ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು AL. Correcta? This is AL. Now this AL is equal to MN. Did you agree with me? Diagram ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೆ? Equal ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾ. So this is a point on XY plane. ಇದರ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರಿ, 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. So what are the coordinates of M? x1, y1 ಅಲ್ವಾ? Because that coordinate is 0, because it is in XY plane. Coordinates of N? x2, y2, because it is in XY plane. 0 ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಬರೀಲಿರೋದು ನಡೀತದೆ, nothing to worry. If you not write 0, nothing will happen, because it is in a plane. Okay? Ha. Now observe carefully. It is in x1, y, okay, plane, XY plane, so coordinates are x1, y1. So now I'll write here the reason. This is a part of the answer only. Okay, this is a part of the answer, but I am writing as a reason. See, AL is equal to MN. Did you agree with me? Diagram what it says? Definitely equal, alva? Huh. Now MN is nothing but distance between the 2 points in plane. MN represent distance between the 2 points in plane. Plane andreno, you know, in 10th standard you learn 2-dimensional geometry. So what is the distance between the 2 points in a plane? Ha, it's nothing but, you know, square root of, ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ಇದು 10th standard ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳೋದು? ಹಾ. ಸೊ AL ಅದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ BL. BL ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಹಾ, this is BL, right? So this height, now this distance is required. This is BL. Now BL can be expressed as BN minus whole height minus LN. Did you agree with me? BN minus LN. What is BN in this diagram? Z2. LN andrenu e distance. Okay, LN is this distance. This is equal to this. Did you agree with me? LN is equal to AM. Right? So BL is Z2 minus Z1. BL is Z2 minus Z1. Now you are using this as well as this in the expression which we just now wrote. Use these two here. So therefore what is AB? AB is, can you tell me? What is AL square? x2 minus x1 whole square. What is BL square? y2 minus y1 whole square plus BL square andre z2 minus z1 whole square. So this will complete the derivation. That's it. So you will get this one for 3 marks. Derive equation, derive the formula for distance between the 2 points, and derivation is there in front of you. Artha aita? Enadu confusions ide idea? I hope you understood everything, right? Very good. So the next exercise in 3D geometry, this exercise is purely related to distance formula that we just now derived. Okay, so here also this very simple problems you have. Okay, you don't have any difficult work, very simple work. So first question is like this: find the distance between the following pair of points. So directly we are going to practice how to use a formula which we just now derived for these points. Okay, just substitution. Kali substitution ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುವಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ. Much simplification that definitely you can manage. Okay, so this is x1, y1, z1. This is x2, y2, z2. What is the distance? The distance is equal to square root of, formula ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 3 minus 3 whole square, z2 minus z1, 1 minus 5 whole square. Substitution ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Next ಏನು? Simplification. 4 minus 2, 2 square is 4. Idu 0. Right, no? This is 30, sorry. 1 minus 5 is 4. 4 square is 16. So what is the answer? Square root of 20. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಬೇಕಾದ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವರಿ. ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 20 is enough. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಅಂತೂ 100% ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬರೆಯುವಂಥ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ಕೀಪ್ ಐದರ್ ರೂಟ್ 20 ಆರ್ 2 ರೂಟ್ 5 ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 20 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. Same question, you are going to find out distance between these 2 points. Okay, so this will be your x1, y1, z1. Okay, and this will be your x2, y2, z2. That's right? Yeah. So what is the distance? The distance is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square minus 3 minus 2 whole square. Or ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಯೂಶಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸರ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ x2 minus x1? No, because outside we have square ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು x1 minus x2 ಬರಿಬೋದು, x2 minus x1 ಬರಿಬೋದು. Because of square the minus sign does not come out. So minus 3 minus 2, it is allowed, definitely allowed. 7 minus 4, 2 minus of minus 1, definitely you can write this. x1 minus x2 is also allowed, x2 minus x1 whole square is also allowed. So the answer is 25. yak 25 adi 5 square, 9, because 7 minus 4 is 3, again 9. Correct? So this is nothing but square root of 25 plus 9 is 34, 34 plus 9 is 43 units. Since you are finding distance, better write at the end units. That's it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. The next one of same heading, distance between the 2 points. So distance is equal to ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ, -1 whole square, 3 minus of minus ಅಂದರೆ 3 plus 3 whole square, -4 whole square. So it is nothing but 4, 2 square, 6, 3 plus 3 9 ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. 6 square 36, ಇದು 8 ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 16 ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಬರೆದು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 64, 8 square 64. So 64 is 90, 100, 104. 60 plus 30, 90, 6 plus 4, 10, 90 plus 10, 100, 100 plus 4, 104 units. Done. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? I hope you understood how to use a formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square to find out distance between the 2 points. See, formula derivation ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. So these 3 problems are more than enough to understand how to use a formula. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸಿ, ನೀವು 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಲಿ ಇದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್. ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯು ಡಿಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಡಿಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾವು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನೀವೇನು 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ ಅದೇ ಮೆಥಡನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, 1 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್. ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್? ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈ ಆನ್ ಎ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನ್. ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಗಿವನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನ್, ದೋಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಕೊಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಎ ಒಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -2, 3, 5. ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1, 2, 3. ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 7, 0, -1. 10th standard concept ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ 3 ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ. ಎ ಬಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? -2 -1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ 9, 3 minus 2 ಅಂದರೆ 1 square is 1, 5 minus 3 2, 2 square is 4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು √14. ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು √14. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿ ಸಿ 1 minus 7, 2 minus 0 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. 3 minus of -1 4 ಅಂದರೆ 16, 20, 56. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸಿ ಎ ಆರ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಹೇಗೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದೇ. ಓಕೆ, CA 7 minus of minus 9 81, 0 minus 3 9, minus 1 minus 5 6 square and 36, 90 plus 126. Here prove ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ that these 3 points are collinear. Okay, I'll show you now how to prove these 3 points are collinear. Okay, so what is AB? AB is equal to root 14. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So BC is equal to, is it 4 into root 14? Is it 4 into 14 is 56? Check ಮಾಡಿ. 4 4 16 1 4 1 5 50. Yeah, perfect. So it is 4 into root 14 andre 2 root 14. Did you agree with me? Now observe carefully AC. What is the multiplication? Now you have the answer in front of you. Collinear ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ you will decide the number. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು? 3 ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. 3 root 14 ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ 3 ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? Yeah, 9. And check whether this gives 126. 16, sorry. 9 into 36 4. 33 here, 9 into 3 126. Yeah, it's perfect. So what we guess, and it is perfect, alva. So it is 9 into 14. So it is 3 root 14. So which is the largest distance? AC. Either distance ಏನು 3 root 14. BC is 2 root 14. So maybe it will be like this. This is 2 root 14. So what is AB? 1 root 14. And this is possible only if, so because of this you can write the conclusion that AC is equal to AB plus BC. And if you are able to prove this, directly you can write the conclusion that therefore A comma B comma C are collinear. Because if they are not collinear, this property definitely does not hold. See, ಈ ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ? Given 3 points on the same line. Suppose ಹೀಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. A, B, C. Suppose the given 3 points are like this. Definitely this does not hold here. You try and okay, you cannot represent the diagram with the numbers for this diagram. For this diagram, you cannot represent. So ಈ ಥರ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 100% it is a collinear. So we proved that largest distance is equal to sum of other two distances. So that means 3 points are collinear. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this is an important question. Please remember. Okay? Yeah. So first question, okay, in the same exercise, verify the following. That is, first question is 0, 7, minus 10, 1, 6, minus 6, 4, 9, minus 6 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? A triangle with the two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal. Okay. So now we have to prove that 3 out of 3, 2 sides are equal. So first we will name the vertices. A is equal to 0, 7, minus 10. B is equal to 1, 6, minus 6. C is equal to 4, 9, minus 6. So yeah. So after naming the vertices like this, find out 3 distances: AB, BC and CA. Find out 3 distances AB, BC and CA. Okay. How to get AB? What is AB? Distance between A and B. 0 minus 1 whole square under 1. 7 minus 6 whole square again 1. Minus 10 plus 6. Minus 10 plus 6 under 4 square under 16. So this is nothing but root 18. So next BC. What is BC? Distance between B and C. 1 minus BC. 1 minus 4. 3 square 9. 6 minus 9, again 3 square, 9. Minus 6 plus 6, 0. So again root 18. So yeah. Next CA. Distance between C and A. 4 minus 0 whole square. 4 square, 16. 9 minus 7 whole square. 4, that is 2, 2 square. Minus 6 plus 10, again 4 and 16. So it is 6. So now these two sides are equal, alba. Therefore, AB is equal to BC. Therefore, A, B, C form an isosceles triangle. Alva, why it represent isosceles triangle? Because the two sides out of 3 are equal. So, out of three sides, AB and AB, BC and CA, two sides are equal. So, it form an isosceles triangle. Artha aita? So, first question gotaide inte ನೀವು 10th standard solve ಮಾಡಿ, it's just a continuation part of that. Correct? Yeah, next question. Again, we are going to verify something. Verify the following. What is our question now? 0, 7, 10, minus 1, 6, 6, minus 4, 9, 6 are the vertices of an right angle triangle. We are going to prove that these three are the vertices of an right angle triangle. Right angle triangle ಹೇಗೆ verify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Yeah, Pythagoras theorem. So just like the previous one, first name the vertices. Okay? Name the vertices. Without this, don't start anything. Then find out the three distances AB, BC and CA. After that, you are going to check whether the Pythagoras theorem holds or not. Okay? So what is AB? Distance between A and B. Again, I think it's similar to previous one. Just difference idagilla. Observe ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Almost same answer ಬರ್ತದೆ. 0 minus of minus 1 andre 1 square. 7 minus 6 is 1 square. 10 minus 6 is 4 square. So almost same. BC, minus 1 of minus, again 3 square, 6 minus 9, again 3 square, 6 minus 6, 0, so it is root 18. Then CA, minus 4, 0 whole square is 16, okay. 9 minus 7 whole square is again, 9 minus 7 and rest of 2 square is 4, 6 minus 10 whole square is 16. Yeah, it's same answer. Compared to previous one, almost same. Illi only they ask isosceles triangle. Okay, illi it's not just an isosceles. Okay, even previous question was not just an isosceles, it's right angle triangle. Now, how to prove that? Now, these 3 points form a right angle triangle. It's not just right angle, even it is isosceles. Hey, prove martiri, which is the largest distance? 6, alva. So CA is the largest distance, that is 6. So what is CA square? 36. And this is also equal to, we can write root 18 whole square plus root 18 whole square. Did you agree with me? What is root 18 whole square? 18. What is root 18 whole square? 18. So 18 plus 18 is to 36. So CA square is equal to root 18 can be replaced by AB square. This root 18 square can be replaced by BC square. And this is possible only for the right angle triangle because this is nothing but Pythagoras theorem. So you can write A, B, C form a right angle triangle. Form a right angle triangle. That's it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೀವು ಇಂಥದ್ದು 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್. Got it? Very good. So next question to verify. Show that or verify that 4 points form a parallelogram. Did you remember what are the characteristics of parallelogram? Yeah, opposite sides are equal. That's it. Only you have to prove that or only you have to check that opposite sides are equal. ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ opposite sides equal ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay? So rough ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು parallelogram ಬರೆದರೆ, can you tell me what are the different sides? If I name the vertices like this, what are the different sides? AB, BC, CD, DA. Only you have to prove that AB is equal to DC, BC is equal to DA or AD is equal to BC. So just show that opposite sides are equal. So here how many distances you have to find out? 4 distances. How many distances you have to find out? 4 distances. So first name the vertices. Minus 1, 2, 1 will be A. B will be equal to 1, minus 2, 5. C is equal to 4, minus 7, 8. And D is equal to 2, minus 3, 4. First name the vertices like this. Next ಏನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? The 4 distances AB, BC, CD and DA. Confusion ಆಗದ diagram ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, nothing to worry. AB, BC, CD and DA. So how many distances you have to find out? 4 distances. Okay? And after that you only have to prove that, only have to check that whether the two opposite sides are equal or not. Okay, let me find out first AB. AB, 1 minus 1, 1 minus of minus 1 and 2 square is 4. plus minus 2 of minus 2 and minus 2 and the 4 square is 16. 5 minus 1 again it is 4, 16 root 32 36 and the 6 side. So yeah, so one side will be 6. Next BC, 4 minus 1 3 square, that is 9, minus 7 of minus 7 plus 2 ಅಂದರೆ minus 5 square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 25. 8 minus 5 3 square 9, so 34, this will be 34 plus 9 43. Okay, ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Next CD, 4 minus 2 2 square 4, minus 7 plus 3 4 square 16, 8 minus 4 4 square 16, again it is 6, 36 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 6. DA, 2 minus of minus 3 square 9, minus 3 of minus 2 minus 5 square 25, 4 minus 1 3 ಅಂದರೆ 9, so again root 43. Yeah, that's it, over. See, ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಫೈನ್ ರೈಟ್. AB is equal to CD ಅಲ್ವಾ, AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to DA. So therefore A, B, C, D form a parallelogram. That's it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So first name the 4 vertices, find out the 4 distances, show that opposite sides are equal. Show that opposite sides are equal and write the conclusion. That's it. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Very good. Next question. Okay, so up to now we solved 3 very 5 problems. Okay, you may get these questions to show that also, so be ready for that. The next one, this is an important one and little difficult one compared to previous, so observe carefully. What is the question? Find the equation of this set of points which are equidistant from the points 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, minus 1. So we need equation of the set of all such points which are equidistant from these 2 points, these 2 points. So let me take one of the point in that. Okay, solution is like this, observe carefully. Let P of x, y, z be a point on the given set, of points, Now what is given? Okay, and one more thing, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 3, 2, minus 1. So what is given? Equidistance PA is equal to PB. Alva, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? The point belongs to this set will be equidistant from these 2 points. That is PA is equal to PB. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So P ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? x, y, z. A and B already are wrote. So this is in terms of distance from, right? So this implies PA square is equal to PB square. Alva, square on both sides. So what is PA square? See, why I wrote square already, because if you write square, no need to write square root. Distance from the square root ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. What is PA square? X minus 1 whole square. What is next one? Y minus 2 whole square plus Z minus 3 whole square. Okay, equal to PB square. Okay, we will do one thing. We will find out one by one. Okay, this is what PA square. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, PA square ಅನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ PA square? X square, right? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 square, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? minus 2x plus y square plus 4, right? Minus 2 into 2 4y, right? Plus z square plus 9 minus 6z. This is PA square. So this is also equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z, minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟು ಬರೀರಿ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 5 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 14. So this is what PA square. This is PA square. So now we have to obtain PB square. Okay, next PB square. PB square square root barala x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z plus 1 whole square. Again same procedure, x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x minus 4y plus 2z plus ಏನಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೋದು 9 ಈ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂದ ಬರೋದು 4 ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂದ ಬರೋದು 1. So PB square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x minus 4y plus 2z plus again 10 plus okay 14 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 14 ಇದೆ 1 and same almost same 1 2 3 same thing, right? So now equate PA square equal to PB square implies this is PB square alva this is PB square ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so equate x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z plus 14. I'll write below equal to exact kalag baritene equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x minus 4y plus 2z plus 14. Hi, last step irodu ಏನು since it is equal sign cancel 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 ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಟರ್ಮು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 2x ಮೈನಸ್ 6z, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 6x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2z, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, since this negative, this is more than this and this is negative, bring all the right hand side to left hand side. So minus 2x plus 6x minus 6z minus 2z equal to 0. I'll write the last step here. Enagate? Yes, the required equation is 4x minus 8z equal to 0, or you can divide it by 4, so x minus 2z equal to 0. So this will be the required answer. ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು? Find the equation of the set of all points which satisfy this condition, and that equation is x minus 2z is equal to 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? As I told, this is an important question compared to the previous all the problem, and you may expect this for 5 marks. ಇಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ಯೂಶಲಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಈವನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಇದು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೇಳಿಯಾರೆ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ. ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ P such that sum of whose distances from the two fixed point is equal to 10. Okay, so ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Point P. Okay, let P be x comma y comma z. Be the given point or be a point. Take that point as x comma y comma z. Yeah, it is given that a is equal to 4 comma 0 comma 0, b is equal to minus 4 comma 0 comma 0, as well as one more important condition is given. In quoted, sum of whose distances from these 2 points is equal to 10. Sum of distances from 2 fixed points is equal to 10. Of which one? The point P. So given is PA plus PB equal to 10. This is a given data. PA plus PB is equal to 10. Very good. Now I'll show you how to get the equation. Observe carefully, this is important question and little difficult compared to the previous. First rearrange like this. PA is equal to 10 minus PB. Sariya? Square on both sides. Square on both sides. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? PA square is equal to 10 minus PB square. Sariya? I'll write here PA square is equal to a minus b whole square, you know, 100 plus PB square minus 20 pb, correct? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, now I'm going to use this, okay, and we are going to express in terms of x and y using distance formula. Using distance formula, I'm going to express this in terms of x and y. Observe carefully. Okay, what is PA now? PA, okay, since we already have square, no need to write the square root. So it is x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square and the y square aito plus z minus 0 whole square and the z square aito. Okay, equal to 100 plus PB square. What is PB square? Again same thing, x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square minus 20 PB. Adannu ಈಗ substitute ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ. First keep the 20 PB as it is. So first simplify this expression. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Yes, y square cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, z square cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Did you agree with me? Very good. Now what is remaining? X minus 4 whole square equal to 100 plus x plus 4 whole square minus 20 pb. 20 pb na innu hage itkolli, enu change bari, don't express pb in terms of x and y. Again expand, x square plus 16 minus 8x equal to 100 plus x square plus 16 plus 8x now minus 20 pb. Again keep as it is, don't replace pb in terms of x and y. X square cancel, 16 cancel, either cancel ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ because one is minus 8x, another one is plus 8x. ಸರಿಯಾ? So except 20 pb or 20 pb ನಿಚೆ ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, minus 8x ನ ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 20 pb equal to 100 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿ plus 8x ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ, ಈ minus 8x ನ ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 16x ಆಯಿತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? Did you agree with this? Yes. Divided by 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 pb equal to 25 plus 4x. Did you agree with me? Yes. Square on both side again. Square on both side. So it is 25 pb square ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So it is 25 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 625. 4x square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 16x square plus a square over b square is 2ab. 25 into 4 100, 100 into 2 200. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes, very good. So 25 pb square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. pb square ಅಂದ್ರೆ x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square equal to 625 plus 16x square plus 200x. So now we have to simplify this expression. Okay, so 25, first expand inside the bracket, x square plus 16 plus 8x plus y square plus z square inside 25, 25 into that. To keep this term as it is, 625 plus 16x square plus 200x. So yeah, multiply 25. 25x square plus 25 into 16 andre 25 into 4 200, sorry 100. So it is 400. So it is 25x square plus 400 plus 25 into 200 25 into 8 is 200 plus 25y square plus 25z square equal to 625 plus 16x square plus 200x. So the last work cancel 200x 200x. ಇನ್ನೇನಾದರೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 25x square, okay, 25x square, okay, not there here, 16x square, so remaining term will remain as it is. So now bring this 16x square into this side, so 25 minus 16 under 9x square, right, plus 25y square plus 25z square. So keep the remaining term as it is. Then plus 400 minus 625, that 225. Yeah, so nothing is remaining, so write 0. Now this will be the required answer for the question. So 9x square plus 25y square plus 25z square minus 225 is equal to 0 is the required equation for the given problem. As I told, this will be for 5 marks. So we completed distance formula and all its related problems. Very well.